If you want to learn how to do a brush stroke in Gimp, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest ways to make a basic brush stroke, draw a straight line, and even turn a vector path into a clean brush stroke. This is perfect whether you're editing photos, creating digital art, or just learning the basics of Gimp for the first time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Gimp tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Gimp and make sure you have a canvas ready. To create a basic brushstroke, you'll want to use the Paintbrush tool. You can select it from the toolbox or just press P on your keyboard. Once the Paintbrush tool is active, look at the brush options and choose the brush shape you want. Gimp gives you a lot of different brush styles, so you can pick something soft, round, textured, or more artistic depending on the look you want. Next, choose your color. You can click the foreground color box and select any color you like. After that, just click and drag across the canvas to paint your brushstroke. This is the most basic way to draw in Gimp, and it's the method you'll use most often when sketching, outlining, or adding detail. If your stroke looks too small or too large, you can adjust the brush size before you start drawing. If you want a perfectly straight stroke, Gimp makes that easy too. Select the Paintbrush tool again, then click once on your canvas to place the starting point. After that, hold Shift, move your cursor to a new spot, and click again. Gimp will draw a straight line between those 2 points. This is really useful when you want clean borders, simple shapes, or precise design lines without having to draw them freehand. Now let's talk about turning a path into a brushstroke. This is one of the most useful techniques in Gimp because it gives you more control and a cleaner result. First, select the Paths tool, which you can activate by pressing B. With the Paths tool, click on the canvas to create a line or curve by placing points. You can make straight segments or smooth curves depending on how you place the points. Once your path is ready, go up to the Edit menu and choose Stroke Path. A dialog box will appear, and here you can choose to stroke with a paint tool. Make sure that option is selected, then click Stroke. Gimp will convert your path into a realistic brushstroke using the settings of your chosen tool. This is great for lettering effects, outlines, shape designs, and anything that needs a smooth and controlled brush line. If you want a harder, more technical-looking stroke, you can also use the Pencil tool. Press N to activate it. The Pencil tool is different from the Paintbrush tool because it creates sharp, pixelated edges with no anti-aliasing. That means the stroke looks more solid and crisp, almost like a real technical pencil or pixel art tool. This is especially useful if you want a sharp digital look instead of a soft painted one. So just to recap, use the Paintbrush tool for smooth, freehand brushstrokes, use Shift for straight brush lines, use the Paths tool and Stroke Path for controlled vector-based strokes, and use the Pencil tool when you want hard, clean edges. Once you understand these 4 methods, you can create almost any kind of brushstroke you need in Gimp. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Gimp tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.